up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, rising up as firefighters. You
Good
got me
morning and welcome back to the hot mess, which is my house. I gotta fix the camera because it's a little lean. Don't mind me, but welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Janice. Welcome to the madness and the chaos. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Hey, how you doing? Today's video, we're gonna be cleaning my hot mess. I think you guys seen the little clips and snippets of how disgusting my house is. It's not that disgusting, but it was a very long weekend. The kids were home from school yesterday, which yesterday was a Monday. So while we're cleaning, I'm gonna start a load of laundry so that I can have that going in the background, and hopefully I can finish laundry today. Like, I'll put a load in and forget about it, but that's not why we're here. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so we're gonna start a load of laundry. I did the introduction in my closet because that's the only place I have great lighting, including this area. But you know, I can't do an introduction with all of this in the background. That's just a hot mess, and we're not about that today. So we're gonna put it on the largest setting, super, and then we're gonna do heavy, and then we're gonna do warm because it's cold outside and don't nobody want to put their hand in no cold water. So let's do warm. Sorry, Rob, I don't like washing on warm because I don't, but it's cold. So I'm gonna start that, and then we're gonna get cleaning. Are you excited? Are you guys excited? I'm not gonna go into my daughter's room today because I'm trying to keep my kids' privacy and try to keep my kids off of social media because they're getting older and you never know what kind of creeps are watching. So my daughter's room needs to get cleaning, but I'm not going to clean it on today's video because I'm trying to respect my children's privacy. But anyways, let's get cleaning.
rising up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
Hi guys. So we are starting off in the kitchen. It's my favorite place to get started after a very long weekend. The kids were home for 3 days, and I had my son's best friend over. So yes, I have a lot to clean. So anyways, I hope this video motivates you guys, and comment down below where you're watching this from and whether or not you are motivated today to clean your house.
Make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, rising up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're.
Okay, so now that the island is clean, it's time to decorate it for winter/spring. So I'm just gonna do something very whimsical and kind of flowy for the island. I like something grand so that I don't have to decorate the table.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything.
Okay, so now that that's over, it's time to take these wreaths down off my cabinet. It just opens up the kitchen so much, and my husband really loves the fact that all these wreaths are gone. I was really trying to dance right here, but it was going too fast for you guys to see it. Get it, girl.
Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do.
So I'm gonna stop and get something to eat. It's 11:32. I don't do dishes. If you can see, they're piled up over there. My teenagers, they come home and that's their chore, so I don't do dishes. Sorry, but I don't do dishes. That's the job of my children. But if I feel fancy, sometimes I'll do them, but no, I'm not doing them today, so there won't be any dishes being cleaned today. All I have to do is the floor, and then I have to move over to this hot mess where I've been piling everything up on this table. So you will see me clean that, so let's take a break. Welcome back from that mini little break. This area is such a pain. It catches everything. Any open area or surfaces in my home is like a catch-all for everything. Do you guys have a catch-all space in your home that you tend to collect a lot of random things? If so, comment down below and let me know.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on.
Guys, I wish it was this fast to clean the house. Like, seriously, it took me the entire day to clean the house. And tomorrow I will be doing a organize with me. And the space that I'm going to be organizing is my kitchen. And then after that, it's going to be a deep clean. Hopefully, spring will be, close by. My kids are in the background. Sorry, I'm a mom of 5. And by the time I'm done cleaning, they're home from school. And that's when I'm editing my videos. So if you hear little voices in the background, it's my kiddos, So it's better to hear than to see them, right? Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and I hope you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you are notified, because I have a lot of videos planned and I am motivated to get them out to you guys.
Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you.
This little corner is dedicated to my 6-year-old. I used to say my toddler, but she's not a toddler anymore, but it's dedicated to my 6-year-old. It's where she keeps all her toys. I used to have a basket there, but for some reason, I don't know what happened to the basket.
Oh, take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Guys, I need to get a basket to put on my stairs so that I can put things in it to take upstairs, because at the end of cleaning, my stairs is just a hot mess and I'm sick of it.
Being so serious, idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet.
Okay guys, so we are nearing the end of today's video. If you made it to the end of this video, could you just drop a red heart emoji in the bottom to let me know that you made it to the end. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? Cause I want you to show me what you feel.